Hello, everybody. Hello. This is Mike from Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement here in a sunny Sharpsburg, Georgia. See there? It's official. This is Mike, Michael Edge, Sharpsburg, Georgia. Look for me on Facebook and YouTube. Welcome back to everybody and others who are here for the first time. Oh my goodness. I'm running a little experiment here this morning. I'm going to fix the focus on this thing a little bit. Hi, everybody. Oh, what a sight, what a sight. Anyway, some of you may have seen my post yesterday afternoon. I had ordered this product here. I was looking for a better product and method for doing the interior glass of automobiles. So I ordered that. It came in yesterday. And I'm not live today. For some reason I can't seem to get on live. I don't know. My internet is spotty here at times. Most of the time it's really good, but sometimes it's just spotty, especially when it's raining or shortly after the rain. But if you saw my post yesterday evening, what I did, I wanted to try to put this through a test because my glass on the inside is not that dirty. I keep it relatively clean all the time. So look at that. You know what that is? Some of you who saw my post yesterday do. What I did, I looked in my kitchen, and what I came up with, I got a bottle of brown, I think it's maple syrup, some kind of syrup, and I poured it onto a paper towel and I smeared it all over this section of this window on the inside, because this stuff is for the inside, not the outside. You need stronger stuff for the outside, but because I wanted to see if it would remove that relatively easily. Yeah, I figure if it does that, and it's a pretty good product. But what I had been searching for was, I get tired of spraying stuff on the inside of the windows. It runs down, gets all over everything, blah, 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 blah. You can't get it to stay in place in a uniform application to the entire section of the window glass that you're doing. So I ran across this product on one of my detailing forums, and I believe it's a cream. Make sure I shake it up good. And what you do is I'm going to use this microfiber applicator. The directions tell you that, or a terry cloth or something or another, and you spread it on, rub it in, you let it dry for just a minute to a haze, and then you wipe it off with a clean terry cloth towel or a microfiber cloth towel. And what I have here is a dedicated glass towel. I think they call it a genie, from Aqualux Detailing out in Texas. It's a low pile on one side and a little bit higher on the other side. This is your scrubbing side. This is your removal side. So I'll probably be using this side. Anyway. Let's get started, shall we? I'm gonna try to set y'all up here where you can watch me. We'll open this door. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, buddy. Man. I think you can really see that it has smeared up really good on there, which is a good thing. And let me get this camera set for you guys here. I'm not much of a cameraman, and this is difficult to do by yourself. For those of you who also do this all by yourself, move my camera thingy in a little bit closer. You can't really still see the spot, but we'll zoom in when we're done. Following the directions here. They say it don't take much. We'll see. put a little bit on our applicator here. Talk about sticky, holy cow. Yeah, I'd say if it gets this stuff off, it's good stuff, folks. I guess that means it'll get smoke, you know, from cigarettes and gassing from all this stuff. And I think I'm gonna need a little bit more product. And you know, in the summer and even in the winter, you have body oils and stuff that are gassing off of your body, combined with moisture in the air on the inside of your car, and that gassing, you end up with stuff all over your interior glasses, and some of it can be very difficult to remove. We shall see. That side's probably nasty dirty. Always work clean. So I'm going to flip over to the clean side. This applicator pad here, I forget where I ordered these from. I got them from somewhere, Auto Geek or somewhere like that. But anyway, we'll get this area again with the cleaner side. And as they say in the directions, we'll give it a minute. I know this is boring. We'll give it a minute to dry. Did I say this is going to be a short video? Somebody told me the other day, said, Mike, you don't make any short videos. Short to you is like 15 minutes. Oh, that was a pretty Camaro just went by. Pretty color of red. But I set my stopwatch here, waiting for 1 minute to go by. I think that's what the directions say. Yeah. You're only supposed to do a 12 by 12 inch square, but this ain't much bigger than that. Wait 1 minute, remove the cleaner with a microfiber towel, it says. It is kind of hazing over. I'm not sure, you probably have to wait the entire minute because they always err on the side of caution. They'll tell you a minute when it probably really doesn't take quite that long often. But you do have to wait for it to haze, and it's hazing up. We're right at our minute, so we're going to go ahead and see if we can remove this. Let's start over here where that syrup was. Ugh. Let's see. Oh man, yeah, I can tell right now. Flip over to the clean side, folks. I always work clean. And just like magic, they call it Mike's Magic for nothing. I'm telling you what, folks. I know y'all can't really see. It's hard for me to see. I got scratches and stuff all in this glass. It's a little bit dirty. I'm sitting around up at my mechanic shop for a couple days on the outside. But I'm gonna tell you what, folks, it got rid of that syrup pronto. There is no sign of it left. And I'm buffing more here than I'll probably need to or have to. But excuse me. That it is gone, folks. Gone. That glass is clear and clean. I'm telling you, I think I'm gonna like this stuff. So probably when I get down to about half of that bottle, I'm gonna order either a bigger bottle or another bottle or two. Yeah, I mean, this is great. I'm not having to deal with all the stuff running down, getting down in here, getting all over my door, all over my speakers and everything. This is what I have been looking for. I like this stuff. I like it a lot. So I got to go to town, so when I get back, I'll do, of course, doing a side window. That's pretty easy. Y'all know that. The hard part is the windshield and the rear window. Be careful on your rear windows. If you have a defroster back there with the little wires, got to go with the wires, not across them. You'll mess that thing up. All right, folks, I appreciate everybody. Like, tag, share, follow, all that stuff. Subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down. Tell me what y'all think of this. I think I ordered this directly from the McKee's website, and they have an excellent reputation amongst us professionals at any rate for all of their products. So I would say that if you see a product on their website and you're intrigued by it and want to try it out, I would highly suggest that you do that. Look at that sunshine. Hey, finally stopped raining. Oh boy. Supposedly got 2 or 3 headlight restorations coming up. You know, it's funny how that stuff runs in groups, you know. For a while I'll do several headlights, and then boom, it stops. And then I'll have several buffing cars, and then that stops. Except I got a lady coming by, a repeat customer. I think she said Monday or Tuesday possibly. She's got a black BMW that she has had to let sit outside for an extended period of time. It's an older one, but she loves it. And now they've either built a garage or got the garage cleaned up, cleaned out. Anyway, now it's back in the garage, and now she wants it back to looking spiffy. So she's going to bring it by one day, let me look at it. Of course, the very first thing I got to do is test the paint thickness, and then I can give her her options. Okay, thank y'all. Bye now.